Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Let's get started. I'm going to show you something shocking. A treat especial, one might say. Check it out, yo.
We'll get in there without further ado. Oh, look at that.
That's part of the experience.
That ought to get your goat.
Time! Won't be reading that. We'll have a look at her. Got some gravity in her. Good thing they don't sell these in Australia.
The hinges are plastique, appear to be UHMW rods.
Piece of shit. Failure to chooch. I'm taking a mulligan.
2 times more powerful. Powerful than what? Look, it's got extra torque.
Son of a diddly.
I'll tell you right now, partner. Not skookum.
You hear that? That's right.
I think we're getting close here.
There's not even any fungus in there.
However, having said that, nothing spectacular. It doesn't make a sense to me. You're going to throw this whole thing out. Etymology. Our brains make mistakes. There we go. Good job. Pat on the back. Go have a banana. Nothing lights a fire under you like a bit of danger and some death.
Piece of shit. Piece of shit.
I'm going to show you something shocking. Son of a diddly. Look at this thing. I suddenly feel insecure. Look at the chintz factor. This looks like she'll go from suck to blow. Huh? Sorry about that. It will clog up. Eventually. Don't judge me. We've all done it. You do what you want to do, and I will do what I want to do. They're going to give this a little love tap. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Now this is just shamefully horrific.
Okay, well, clearly it ain't gonna work. We're gonna have to hack this thing to get it to work.
The thing's going right in the garbage. Just, yeah. We'll stick that in the garbage straight off. You ladies in the crowd will recognize that as speed number 3. Sorry about that.
There you go. Skookum is frig. I'm willing to bet.
Rock solid, if you know what I'm saying.
Give her!
What? That ought to do it. Chasing skirt and getting hurt.
Chatting with you and cleaning shit up.
Got a couple beers in me now, and I enjoy having a laugh in the shop, even when we're just dicking around. Have a good one, boys. Keep your dick in a vice.